Today I'm in the beautiful winelands of Stellenbosch, South Africa, and I just came from a client who made me realize how much money people spend on lice products to get rid of head lice. So today I'm going to talk about do-it-yourself against getting somebody professional to do it for you. So let's talk about do-it-yourself. Most people take between 2 to 5 treatments to get rid of lice themselves. So first of all, you have to realize that every time you're going to do a treatment, you have to buy products again. This second point is that it actually takes a lot of time to get rid of head lice. One combing treatment process takes between an hour up to 4 hours or 5 hours. The three things you have to think about is budget, the time you're going to take, and the relationship with your child. So let's talk about getting it done professionally. So professional lice treatment services are divided in two groups. You get the group that are very few of them, like myself, with the lice treatment company in the Western Cape. We do one treatment, it's a bit more, but one treatment, about 2 to 3 hours, and the problem is over. While we treat, we give you prevention tips, we tell you how to clean the house, we tell you where lice come from. So it's like a good training session to educate and empower you to be the boss of lice. The second group do normally 2 to 3 treatments. They are a bit less each treatment, but at the end of the day, it works out the same. It's always good to ask a company, if you phone them, how many times do you actually have to treat a head to guarantee that it will be clean. I'm a professional, but I've met a couple of people that managed to be able to get rid of lice in one go. So if you have the patience and if you put the time in it and you really comb and you do a good job, you will be able to do it yourself. Do like and subscribe, and remember to leave comments below so that I know what you want me to talk about. And do visit my Facebook page as well at the Lice Treatment Company. There is lots more tips and advice. Bye-bye.